now you moving against us. You making a mess. You gotta address this mess in front of the press. Ni wapi ulipeleka pesa? We did the inspection. We seen you got a collection. We seen you building a mansion 2 months after the election. Whoa.
We see you building a mansion 2 months after the election. Man, like, it's some good shit.
I won't be home when she turning the lights on. I'm going for you.
Nilikuwa nionyeshe stuff flani. So I think Steph Kapella is experimenting different sounds, okay? I need to show. He's experimenting some new sounds and I liked that shit. Nilipenda that an experiment na anafanya vitu flani different, which I don't think we can say the same for Calligraph. That's why pia kuna video kwa hapa sahi hapa kwa channel sahi tu inasema Calligraph music needs to evolve. Mwangalie hiyo. So let me just show you what I am Kapella did. So najua mimi ni wa kuwa plug. Mimi lazima nikuwe top plugger. Mimi niko na masaa mingi ndio nitaangalilia ase alafu niwalete. So alifanya hii ngoma like 2 weeks ago called Leave You. But there is another one he had done which has the same kind of style. So I'm gonna preview them for like 2 minutes each. Get your thoughts. Anafanya na I think uni nani sawa. Acha nionyeshe here 5 months ago alafu tuende here amefanya recent. Azizi tuanze na hii recent. Hii recent ndio ilinibamba. Nilipenda the way the beats they were kind of playing around. I just wish he used or he embraced using Kiswahili more in his raps. Hii ngoma ange include a lot of Kiswahili, it will be good. But you know, naambianga wasanii they live so much in their heads. Wanaishingi kwa vichwa zao sana. I wish I can incorporate more of Kiswahili on this song. So acha niwa preview.
I'm going vivid enough to scare me. Woke up out of sleep, only to see you nowhere near me. Couldn't believe it, I was happy, I was finally home. I wasn't alone, I was by your side where I belong. I hugged and kissed you, told you how much I miss you. Tears.
Bro, sikia venye hiyo beat imekuja ikashikana hapa. Just listen, max out your volume, but I'm just saying I do love that he is able to experiment. And that inherently means working with different producers, work na watu wengine different so that he can bring a different blend. In your stuff, Calligraph ni kama ameshikana tu na Ares. Ni kama ameshikwa mkono na Ares, haizi fanya na mtu mwingine. Anyway, just my 2 cents. Kia hapa malio beat inafanyia stuff.
Couldn't believe it, I was happy, I was finally home. I wasn't alone, I was by your side where I belong. I hugged and kissed you, told you how much I miss you. Tears and tissues. I'm sorry I left, I wish you could understand we had some issues. But you was running around, up and down, like you always did. Never been happier chasing you around, like I always did. I had to text your mama. I wasn't calm, collected, auto-corrected up the grammar. I didn't get a reply by the time I wrote.
No, he said I'm calm, collected, auto-corrected like some grammar. Kitu kama hiyo. Sikia.
Like I always did. I had to text your mama. I wasn't calm, collected, auto-corrected up the grammar. I didn't get a reply by the time I wrote these different time zones. She getting up in the morning and I won't be home when she turning the lights on. I'm going for you.
hapo, nitaiachia hapo. Twende kwa nyingine nikuonyeshe nyingine. Hii ndio naikumbuka vividly, I wanted to show you. Acha tusikie nyingine, but ziko na the same vibe. Na utaona production project wamefanya na nini na nani. He's musical. He can bring melody into his verses, into his work, which is a good thing. Kama unaweza leta melody kwa ngoma, unaenda mbali sana. Tusikie ingine. Amework na these guys, naona GR and Hook and GR. Who's Hook and GR? Oh, kwanza actually hii ingine pia ni kali, Hook and GR. Yeah, he's working with this guy. Who is this guy, Hook and GR? I'll find out. Sikia hii. Actually ili ni bamba. Irosopa. Nice. Sikia. Oh. Guys, you can hear it already. That's the title of this video. This guy is experimenting some new sounds, and I like it. Like if he can najua pia kufanya vida nini zina costs. Ni mfuko yako tu nako kitoa do. Na hii industry yetu ya music ni mbaya. High reward talent, high reward vitu mingi zenye zinapasa in a system where things are working well. These guys should be able to live off the music. So tusikie stuff. I think hata inaweza kweli ni bamba kuliko hii nimeonyesha sahi. Just listen. Look at the video, look at the mood. It's talking about some real talk, some political-ish stuff. I do feel that if you can be consistent, na imagine vitu mingi zina happen kwa life. He has a kid, that you've seen the kid. He's talking about his kiddo in that previous video that I just showed you about. So sijui nina happen kwa life yake, but I do know life happens, a lot be happening. So I wish you can get more of his experimental music consistently. I think we can tunaweza pata kitu poa. He's good musically and he can rap. Fuck, itabidi tu nifanye hiyo stuff na dai kufanya. Lazima unionyeshe ngoma fulani linibabanga alifanywa na Ivan. Too easy. Yeah. I'm talking about this video. I'm talking about this song. Too easy.
When you are connected,
this song
like to get but unstoppable like a brutal dictator. It is.
Yeah. Yo, I really like this video.
Alisnap kwa ngoma. Alisnap kwa ngoma.
I finally get it. My one and only prayer, please don't forget it. I don't want the fame, I just want the credit. That's a damn lie, forget it. God damn it. Careful what you wish for, cause you don't really know what you in for. You don't know the guy with an info, but that's kinfolk. When I see him, it's I know I'm doing something right. I know it take a while to make it sound right. It's time, nigga, eat, sound bite. That don't sound right. No, it sound like then we waiting on the next drop. We all know the top is the next stop. We all know I'm about to hit the jackpot. Yeah, we next pop.
When I heard this song in 2018. The video was done by Ivan. Ivan has done many of his videos. Hapo ndio nilijua umse naweza muaminia. So let's finish previewing this song nikafungia hapo. But I do like how he's experimenting. Pole. I'm sorry if I'm going back and forth, but I'm working on my spirit mind. Na work tu kwa hiyo flow state, man. Sisiketi ni wa script yani pange video nini. I can't do that shit, man. Can't do that shit. I'm too old for that shit. We'll be on TikTok. tumeharibu tempo hii ngoma pole pole.
The day has come, my brothers. The revolution will be on TikTok. Your television stations on what? You came as a guest. We gave you the best. Somewhere to rest. But now you're moving against us. You're making a mess. You gotta address this mess in front of the press. Ni wapi ulipeleka pesa? We did the inspection. We seen you got a collection. We seen you building a mansion 2 months after the election.
Bro, can you hear this political stuff that he's talking about? Just listen. Let's just listen.
In front of the press. Ni wapi ulipeleka pesa? We did the inspection. We seen you got a collection.
Ni wapi ulipeleka pesa? We did the inspection. Ski stuff. I think he's one of those guys who he can talk. He's talking about real. He can talk about real regular stuff. He can rap ujue kitu inspiring bila kuinvolve vitu za kuongelea madem, mahaga na pombe. That's one of the things that also makes him very very well centered as an artist. He has a backbone and he's able to do songs on his own. He can carry a song
somewhere to rest.
He can carry a song on his own, start to finish.
But now you're moving against us. You're making a mess. You gotta address this mess in front of the press. Ni wapi ulipeleka pesa? We did the inspection. We seen you got a collection. We seen you building a mansion 2 months after the election. Whoa.
We see you building a mansion 2 months after the election. Man, like, it's some good shit.
Got a collection. We seen you building a mansion 2 months after the election. Whoa, you doubled your net worth. You must have been doing your best work. Got billionaires in your network, and the youth can't even get work. We gotta watch you. We gotta watch you. We gotta watch you. We gotta watch you. Si walisema mambo ya Rivayala waliwacha. Isabu wangapi wajapatikana tangu walinaswa. You got a Benz, you got a Beamer, you got a Tesla steamer, you got the grass looking greener. We know your past, we know our schema. You got a Gina, Sabrina, wawili kando wa kufinya. We know you well, you try to clean up, married the game and got you a prenup. You gave it so.
Honestly, I do like. Fuck. Chick. You know what he's doing. You know what he's doing. You know, guys, mnajua kitu anafanya. Niliwaambia niko na kitu gani leo. Niko na kitu mzuri.
Wow. Niko na kitu mzuri. Ouch. Niko na kitu mzuri. Oh. Niko na kitu mzuri.
So, me I won't get tired of plugging you guys. Mimi nitawa plug mpaka mungia kwa switch. Mpaka mungia kwa main switch, okay? We're doing this shit and if they try to copy us, manze, watashindwa juu itakuwa ngori. It's a decade of devotion, it's a decade of learning shit. Ujue, isi info unaweza keti tu saa hii uanze kutengeneza udhani watu watakusikiza. Wewe ni nani? Why should we trust you? Are you a reliable source? Sikia.
You got a Benz, you got a Beamer.
You got a Benz, you got a Beamer. We see the grass is looking greener. Sikia.
Sema mambo ya Rivayala waliwacha. Isabu wangapi wajapatikana tangu walinaswa. You got a Benz, you got a Beamer, you got a Tesla steamer, you got the grass looking greener. We know your past, we know our schema. You got a Gina, Sabrina, wawili kando wa kufinya. We know you well, you try to clean up, married the game and got you a prenup. You gave us so, and in return we gave you the vote. Made you the captain, gave you the boat. You gave us a paddle and told us to roll. Slow roll, wapi-do. You took a loan, show me the road. People are starving out in the cold and you look.
Bro, he's actually calling out vitu za Kasongo. He's actually calling out Ruto. Look at the visuals. Yani he's not saying it directly, but it's well implied. Look at the visuals. On hizo visuals anasema you took the loan. Sikia, cheki.
Roll, slow, roll, wapi-do. You took a loan, show me the road. People are starving out in the cold and you looking like you got money to blow. We gotta watch you. We gotta watch you. We gotta watch you. We gotta watch you. Si walisema mambo ya Rivayala waliwacha. Isabu wangapi wajapatikana tangu walinaswa.
Nice. Niko happy nimeweza kuwa deliveria. Honestly, something that I do genuinely feel, man, iko sawa. Actually, I'm so happy I've been able to put this up. That's a strong song. That's a W song. That's different. I think that's what you're looking for. That's different. So if you can keep experimenting these and giving us different shit, bro, tunaenda mbali sana, Steph. So I appreciate him. Actually, I appreciate the effort. Mi na appreciate effort ya msanii nikiona. Nawambianga, mi nikiona tukianza kureact kwa ngoma fulani alafu nione msanii ako na jokes, I see they don't have good intentions. You know what I do. Nafunganga hiyo tab. Mi ufunga hiyo tab immediately. So on to my next plan.